This is a SP laptop motherboard, and this laptop motherboard problem is power is not turning on, but power LED is blinking little bit. Okay, that is not emulating perfectly. Let's give the power and check it. I have inject the power and you can see this power LED is glowing but not much more, little bit, and power switch is also not working. And here is a making a noise, tip 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 tip, it's making noise. Today I'll fix this laptop very simple and easy way. Let's see what happened. Check this voltage. And this is the input voltage. Here is the 19 voltage, 19.67 voltage is present, and this is the Mosfet output, but here is no voltage present. Sometimes voltage is present but voltage is hiccuping. Okay, let's see this. Here also same problem, no voltage is standby. Okay, let's fix it. Where is the problem? Disconnect the power. Check it the voltage here, and this is the input voltage. Here is the 19 voltage present, and this is the Mosfet input voltage here. Here also 19 voltage present. Okay, this is the Mosfet output voltage, primary Mosfet output voltage. No, here is no voltage present, and this is the secondary output voltage. And check this current sense resistor, this is okay or not. This resistor also okay. Okay, let's open this Mosfet and we can check this, and here is any short circuit or not. No short circuit here. This side also no. Yeah, here also no. Let's open the Mosfet and check it. What happened? Let's install it and see. Okay, inject the power and check this voltage. What happened here? And this is the primary Mosfet input voltage. Here is a 19 voltage present, and check this here. Here also 19 voltage present. Okay, 19.20 voltage present, and this is the current sensing resistor. Here is also voltage present. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Our circuit is okay. Press the power button and you can see the power is turned on. Okay, see this cooling fan, it's what happening. Processor also heating, and you can see cooling fan also is spinning. Okay viewers, our work is done. Okay, thanks for watching.